Hello everyone, wanted to give a quick demo of the Dakota Marketplace Claude app in action, this time for meeting prep. So in our last video, we walked through prospecting and covering a territory of the West Coast. Now let's talk meeting prep. So in this situation, someone has walked into my office and said, "Oh my gosh, Pat, we're meeting with the Johns Hopkins Endowment in 4 hours. I don't know who we know there. I don't know anything about them. I totally forgot. What does Dakota know? What do we know about them?" So I come in here, I quickly type in, I work for Dakota Capital, we're a real estate fund to fund in Philadelphia. Hopkins Endowment is coming to our office in 4 hours. Tell me everything from Dakota that I need to know before the meeting. As you can see here, it runs through the endowment on Dakota Marketplace and then all the key contacts, and then it gives me the account at a glance. Who are they? What type of strategies they typically invest in? Are they a serious allocator? They are. It gives me a breakdown of the investment team with links to their email addresses as well as their LinkedIn profiles and where they're based. In this case, having one individual who's based in New York City rather than Baltimore with the rest of the team who's traveling in. Then it gives me their activity across private markets, the consultant relationships that they work with, and a know before you go blurb. Who should I be thinking about running this meeting with, and when this was updated. Next, I can do some additional research or prepare a shareable notes document. So here I'll go ahead and say, prepare some notes for my boss that I can share in PDF. Note that it is important that they work with Cambridge because we have a relationship with Cambridge as well. That should be in the notes somewhere for my boss to reference, maybe in a talking points section. Now this is going to share all those notes, and it's even going to add my talking points that I've just suggested. Don't worry about all this code. You don't have to take any action on that. That's just how this is going to create the meeting brief PDF that I'll be able to print and share with my boss. Now here we go. I have my meeting brief to share with the team. So what did it have? They created the meeting brief for me with the account snapshot, the consultants that they use, if they're active in co-invest, which could be relevant given my strategy, their investment appetites, and then some key talking points. As you can see here, it calls out this existing relationship with Cambridge. This is the real winner here. And so this is from Dakota Marketplace, exclusively Dakota Marketplace. Now I could have had this also search the web for me, but what's really powerful is if you have your Claude connectors set up well, you can also have this search through your CRM and your Slack and find out proprietary sort of firmographic information that only you know about your past activity with this allocator, marrying the Dakota Marketplace data with the web as well as with your own internal data. Now let's just keep going. So let's say the meeting went well. What other allocators should I try to call on to raise money? Just give me a quick prospect list on the East Coast of accounts that look like JHU. So now I still have my meeting brief here. Let's say the meeting has happened and now I want to keep going on this exercise. I want to keep prospecting. I can take after the meeting. We killed it with Johns Hopkins. Who else should we think about? So you can see here, it even remembered my little reference there about Cambridge. And now, as you can see, it is creating me a list of relevant prospects that I should call on and who the CIO is. Now, naturally, I could tweak this and call out, I want the director of private markets, or I only want to include where they have co-invest available. But as you can see, this is a pretty good prospect list of folks that I should think about reaching out to. It's going to keep going. Quick notes on how to prioritize the list, talking about Cambridge Associates badge, noting the ones here at the bottom use Cambridge for their investment research. Thanks everyone for the time. We look forward to seeing how you leverage this.